Hello everyone, this is Barkat Khan, founder of Mr. Khan Digital. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can cloak a link on your WordPress website. So let's begin. For that, you need to go to plugins first, add plugin and search for pretty links and install it and activate it. So once you do that, you'll see it here. Now come to pretty links and click add new pretty link. You can give it a name like Google redirect or something, because I'm going to give you example link here, so I'm giving it as name as Google redirect. So target URL will be google.com. For google.com I'm creating cloak, or you can say redirect, which is related to my website link. So for example, this is actually my website link, which you can see it here, and slash I'll add Google. I'll update it. So let's try. I get redirected to Google. I'll copy this, paste it in a new tab and put it as Google. Yeah, you can see the Google is open now, so it is working fine. Thank you so much.